Welcome to this FlangeBand TileBud installation presentation by Celux. In this video, we will explain how to install FlangeBand TileBud to seal the joint between a shower base or bathtub with an integral tiling flange and the adjacent walls. Tile flanges integrally attached to shower bases and bathtubs come in a variety of shapes and sizes. Consequentially, the position of the wall backer board relative to the position of the tile flange can differ from project to project, depending on the type of tile flange and installation preferences of the installer. FlangeBand TileBud is a versatile joint sealing solution that can accommodate all shower bases and bathtubs, regardless of what type of tiling flange is attached. The FlangeBand TileBud sealing system promotes a menu of three key components: the Celux strip membrane, a foam backer rod, and Celux N silicone sealant or equivalent. The foam backer rod is not required when sealing perimeter joints around shower bases and bathtubs with integral tiling flanges attached. The first step in the installation process is to ensure the receptor rests steady on the floor. The waste system has been tested for leaks, and the backer board is fixed solidly to the wall. Use alcohol wipes or an approved cleaning agent to clean the receptor surfaces to which silicone will be applied. Measure and cut the strip membrane to the required length. Apply painter's tape over the rim, 1/16 of an inch outside the wall face. Resting a strip off-cut on the rim as a guide, mark the walls to define the strip height over the rim. Draw lines through the wall marks. If using Celux N or an equivalent silicone sealant as the strip adhesive, as we are in this installation, apply painter's tape outside the wall lines. Apply Celux N silicone over the tiling flange around all sides of the enclosure. Rub up the exposed silicone face flush with the adjacent overhanging wall. Apply a zigzag line of Celux N between the rim and wall line on the first wall and a further 9-inch portion of the second wall. The strip can also be bonded to the wall using approved MS polymer adhesive sealants, thin-set mortars, and liquid-applied waterproofing compounds, without the need for painter's tape on the wall. If not using silicone as the strip adhesive, do not allow the chosen strip adhesive to contaminate the silicone sealant applied over the tile flange. Using the serrated edge of the spatula, spread a thin bed of adhesive between the receptor rim and the wall line. Clean the spatula with a tissue. With the strip resting on the rim and its red-tinged portion facing the wall, progressively touch engage the strip with the adhesive bed on the first and second wall. Using the straight edge of the spatula, press bond the strip firmly against each wall, ensuring the strip extends fully into the corner and the red-tinged portion bonds with the silicone face opposite the tile flange. Repeat this strip bonding process for each of the remaining walls. Remove the painter's tape off the wall and receptor rim. The installation is now complete. FlangeBand TileBud is available in short-roll installation kits and in longer, more cost-effective trade roll format for high-use on-site and off-site construction projects. We hope this presentation has been of interest, and we thank you for your time viewing it. If you have any concerns not addressed in this video, please do not hesitate to contact us.